What's happening, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're going to be looking at how to get your acorns, right? So the acorns have there's been an update on the acorns. You no longer get them automatically. So what you have to do, guys, is you have to go into your wallet and just get them at the bottom, right? There is a time restriction on the acorns as far as how much you can get, right? And so right here, my wallet, and there it is, right, guys? So you go into your vault or your chest, right, and then you go ahead and just push your acorns out of there. Right, there it is. I have 28. I pulled them out earlier, so right now I have 28.12 acorns and 14 stamina. Okay, so here's the deal. Depending on the VIP level that you're at, you only get a certain amount of hours for accumulation, right? So VIP 0 is 72 hours, and VIP 1 to 2 is 96 hours. VIP 5 to 7 is 1 week, and so forth and so on. But you only have 72 hours if you are VIP 0. Okay, so you got to make sure that you go in there at least once every 3 days to pull your acorns out. Otherwise, you'll lose acorns because they'll stop accumulating. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do the KARDIA dice, right? So same thing as the other videos. If you haven't seen the other videos, you're just going into your game section, go into your lobby section, and then hit the game that you want, right? And so this one is going to be play KARDIA dice. And so this one is a little different, as you can actually increase your chances of winning, but you'll get less payout, right? And so the goal of the game is to get your green number here higher or lower than the top number, right? And so again, use slider to pick your number, choose over or under, and roll dice. A win earns golden acorns, a tie is a loss. Okay, so let's say you want to make sure that you win all the time. What you can do is you can move the slider up or down. So let's just go down, and you have a 95% chance of winning, right? And so the number at top is 4, and our goal is to go higher than that, right? And so you just roll the dice, and there you go. So now you just win 2.21 is your payout, right? So again, if you want to do it the other way, you can come back and slide over, and your chances are still, see that 95, and so your chances are still high if you go under it. If you go over it, if you try to go over 95, then your chances are at 4%. But if you go under it, your chances will be at 95%. And so again, just roll your dice, and there it is. So you win again, and you win another 2.21. So you can bring your odds lower or higher. The lower, so I just lowered my chances to 80, but my payout is now a 4.49%, right? Going under, of course. If you go over 80%, you'll end up getting an 85.1. And so we'll do that one more time, see if we get it. There you go. You see, so you don't get anything, but you don't lose. You only lose the 10 stamina, guys. Okay, and so that's it. That's how you play the KARDIA dice game in the lobby section. Okay, and so now we've covered all 3 videos. We've covered all 3 games, guys. Just go back to the YouTube channel, and you can find how to play all the other games that you got, including loot boxes. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you find that this video was informative, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.